Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video, we're going to analyze the market from today to Friday. That means this full week, and today's day is Monday. That means starting day of this particular week, our trading week, and we are going to analyze the market fully for the full week. Okay, and before we start, we need to keep our concern on some fundamental things. Okay, we have to analyze the fundamental things, then we can drive into technical thing. Okay, and from fundamental thing, number one, there is some attack issue, that means geopolitical war issue due to US and Iran. Okay, and both of them started to war again, or started to attack each and every one again, and the conclusion about that, they both want to sign an agreement about ceasefire, but US always want to Iranian uranium. Okay, US want to hand over or take over Iranian uranium, but Iran don't want to give that on US. So that is the conclusion, our main conclusion right now. That's why the war isn't going to stop very soon. Okay, so we can expect that, or we can accept that the war continue for maybe for next few weeks or few months, or it may continue over the time like Russia and Ukraine war. So we have to prepare about that. And number two is for the fundamental thing. Okay, for the fundamental thing is while, okay, due to Hormuz Strait closure or strike on Hormuz Strait, suppose this is Hormuz Strait, and due to strike on Hormuz Strait, while is blockade 20% of world oil is blocked right now, which pass into the Hormuz Strait, and that's why oil price is going up. And due to US oil agreement, okay, due to US oil agreement, if oil price go up, United States dollar price also will go up. And as per we know that XAUUSD, due to XAUUSD, XAU means gold always run with opposite direction of USD, and in that case, due to this value agreement, gold price is going down. Okay, that means gold always run with opposite direction of USD. Due to USL agreement, United States dollar getting stronger day by day, and due to opposite direction of running, gold price is dropping day by day. This is the fundamental conclusion. And the final conclusion or final verdict about that, if war continue, gold will drop more. You have to keep your concern on that thing. Okay, so let's get started with technical thing. And as per our analysis style, or as per our technical analysis style, we always start our analyzing with higher time frame, then we can continue or find out our key zones or entry zones in lower time frame. Okay, and as per you can see there, we made analysis yesterday or in the last weekend, and we told that gold may be going to fall more because of the war continue. And let me remove all of that thing. And as per our trading style, we always our analyze with high time frame, then we will find out the key zones or entry point in lower time frame. And as you can see there, from long time ago, gold just trying to go up, and from last few weeks or few months, gold is trying to go down due to US and Iran war. Okay, and that is directly involved with Hormuz Strait and oil price. Okay, you have to keep your concern on that thing. And currently this new weekly candle going to move bearish, and previous few was bearish also. So we have to keep a concern on that thing. And if I want to go, or if I want to move back into daily time frame, as per you can see there, in daily time frame, if I want to draw possible support and resistance areas, so there could be a possible support become resistance area. That area was a very important support area, but due to breakout, it acting like a resistance area. So let's check if we can find out more trend line or support or resistance zone. As you can see there, we got a trend line breakout from that particular area. That was the fake breakout during the news time or during the wait time, and we got a breakout there and pull back here, and again trying to go down. That means our trend line zone says that maybe gold is moving more down, like till that particular area, and support breakout, that means support become resistance, also confirm that gold will go down from that particular area. So we can continue selling in that particular area. Okay, so let's get back into H4 or H1 to find out our key zones or key areas to buy or sell. And as per you can see there, let me make it for H1 time frame to for more easier or to get more visible data. Okay, so if I want to go for trend line areas over there, as you can see there, we got a trend line breakout from that particular area. Again, we got a pullback there, and it just continue to selling, or it just continues is bearish momentum or movement. Okay, and if I want to draw upper trend line over there, okay, if we consider those all as a fake breakout, that means we have to consider this and those for fake breakout. And right now there is a perfect trend line over there, and we got a pullback there, and we can continue sell from that particular area. This is current thing. Okay, and you may ask me, Mr. Boom, that's all for long term. What we can do for short term, like M15 time frame or M5 time frame? So let me check the M15 and M5 time frame. Let's get back into M5. Seems there is no perfect pattern in M15, so we just continuing in M5 time frame. Okay, in M5 time frame, as you can see there, okay, we got a trend line over there, we got sell from there, we got a breakout here, we got sell from this particular area, we got from there, and we got sell from there, and we have taken a sell entry over there, and that is melting profit right now, or currently it's moving around 100 pips. Okay, 100 pips plus profit. You may know that if you are especially following our public or free Telegram channel. So this is the way how we are trading into our Telegram. You may join there to get each and every news update, where update, and Fed related update, that means USD related update. And if you want to take entry in that particular time or in the bear situation, you have to consider selling with confirmation. That means in that case, we don't want to take any buy, like there was a buying confirmation, but we will avoid that. We will avoid that kind of things, or we'll avoid entry trend line or entry trend entry. Okay, so you have to avoid all of buying for now, and we will continue selling depend or based on that kind of confirmation. It could be trend line confirmation, it could be support and resistance zone confirmation, or it could be anything like candle confirmation or technical confirmation. Based on fundamental, we will find out entry. This is the final verdict, or this is the final conflict. So I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel. There we are sharing a lot of analysis, entries, and fundamental things into our public Telegram channel. That is completely free, and link in the video description box. I hope all things clear now. Mr. Boom signing out.